And we're live, boys. We are live. Like, probably gonna make the light on here. So, some more light here in the house. We do see still some aggressive buying here. 250s, but I'm not interested before the open here. So I'm just gonna like post this stream here in Discordy. Eventually, guys, I promise, like eventually once I come live, I'm actually just talking to you guys. But right now I haven't figured it out yet, how this works to pre-set up a stream in order. So I just always have to start the stream, and once it's started, then I can share my link. But I'll get there eventually, boy. Also. So there. So just one more second here, just one more second. So good. Like price is just ripping now, but we want to be careful with that. I'm not trusting this before the opening bell. Obviously, like if this this happens after the open, like oh no, bring this down here. Like you don't see this account here. One more. Okay, like my camera I need to bring down so you can see all accounts here. So that I don't have hater like saying I'm like doing anything. So good. So where we're heading, like obviously 4300. So we do have this interesting level here. Like I'm gonna be careful right today on the open. I do have some levels here. I'm gonna be careful today around the open because if I looked at my stats recently, and like usually in the first 10 to 15 minutes of the open, like I lose more money than I make. So gonna be very careful and selective in like the first 10 to 15 minutes of the open. Like lately, obviously not all the time and all the days, but obviously more often than not, and for a bigger amount than not, I've actually like dug myself a hole in the first 10 to 15 minutes of the open of a few bad entries, and then had to work the entire day to dug myself out of it again. So don't want to do this again. So right now, looking here, like 43.05 I have marked in the pre-market here as a potential. This could be just squeezing for now. Let's see what happens on the open. Like in theory, like bigger picture stuff. If you just look bigger picture in theory, on bigger time frames, which I don't like to pay that much like value to. Like I'm trying to put less value into it, because more often than not it leads to me having a strong bias on the day, and then ending up like missing a lot of opportunities, or like making mistakes and executional errors. That just would have been prevented if I didn't have a bias. So that's like the main reason. I don't like to have a bias, and I don't like to look at bigger picture stuff. But obviously I still do, because I love the markets, so I'm always checking out bigger picture stuff as well. And I do think, like, on the bigger picture, we are theoretically again now in a bull market again, but who knows? And then anyway, where's your entry at? So especially if you're a scalper, there's just no way of this adding any value to your trading. Still gonna wait until the open with my first trade. So I'm not taking any trades prior to the open. Although like those 05 level, which I had marked pre-market here, looks kinda good, like it wanna hold. We have the 275s here, which only had 4 contracts hit into the bid. So this is like almost a skip price here, not quite, but kinda. So as long as we hold above 03 here, this can go higher. If we do break 275 here, like this can go very fast, like very deep. So the only real thing I'd love to see of the open, like maybe like a setup I would be willing to hit off the open, is like maybe a liquidation spike higher, and then just to grab some liquidity, because I do think there's a lot of liquidity sitting higher, and then like a break of 275, and if 275 breaks, like maybe enter on a retest shot, just a quick scalp to basically around 98. So this could be a pretty big scalp for me. Like I usually don't take that big of scalps, but this could be like a 4-point scalp down here. As this could, I think this could really like pick up space here if this 275 breaks, and we could just be trending higher all day as well. So, but I'm not in the game of predicting. Like I'm not. I don't care what the market seems like it wants to do. I can't predict the future. I can only react to what's actually happened. Now we did see TS skip a price. So now this was kind of interesting. This looked like a top here. This looks like a top. But I'm sticking to my rules, like not entering here before the open, because price action and then the order flow before the open is more often than not, in my opinion, like I don't know. I just don't like it. It's not real. I mean, it is real. Obviously, it's moving the market, but I just like to have constantly people hitting on both sides, so I have a constant good feel. about how strong the bid and offer is, because that's like basically most of my strategy revolves around how strong the bid and offer is and who is in control, and where people might be stuck, that they want the market maker, just they love liquidity, and if I see them getting in control, and then I'm thinking about where people might be stuck, and them just running those and flushing them. But I can't see so well who he is in control if we don't have like non-stop constant hitting bid offer, you know. And then it's very rough for me. It's like I talked with another guy, like I've known now from trading a bit. Like I talked to him like just before the stream, and we talked about bonds. Like I do love to trade. I would love to trade bonds. I would love it a lot. But the bid and offer is not constantly hitting. And this is what makes it very hard for me to trade, because I don't have the same feel. Like my feel is just off, to be honest, on bonds, because I don't know how strong the bid and offer is. So we do have 3 more minutes till the open. Then we're gonna get wild. Trying to not overtrade today. Like yesterday was kind of okay, but Wednesday was kind of overtraded in my opinion. But a little bit more selective on my entries. But we'll see. Just wanna be green, to be honest. Like not green, but just wanna execute and perform well. Let's say it like this: keep my emotions in check, like, and execute my edge correctly. Like that's all I care about today. Obviously, it would be nice to be green, because I know I'm the entire week green, even though not by much, but it's fine. So it would be a cool way to finish off the week. Yeah. Order, thanks again for joining in, like you every day here. Like, appreciate you having here. Thanks for the good luck, and exactly how you said, like, get better every day. That's all what it comes down to in the end. I don't like the 30-second here. Yeah, the thing is, I would love to have it a little bit bigger here, the 30-second, but also not really, because when this opens and shoots in one direction, and like the candle's gonna get so big and I have to adjust it, which I don't like to do. Now we're getting some selling here and some absorption, so both sides here. Like we're really like building volume here in this low, also just between 40.25 here and 40.50 here. Lots of volume building here. This is gonna be a wild open, guys. Jesus. We've built a lot of volume here. It's gonna rip in one direction. Place your bets or react. Okay, we do see it open. Boah, huge buying coming in here. Jesus. This is a gap and go. Now we do have a skip price here at 07s. So if we do break 07, this can just as fast fall back in as it went up here. But it could also be a gap and go day. Like, wait. I would love to see it break 07s and then short here. Out for a small for a win here, small win. So this was exactly my playbook setup, which I talked about a lot, quite a lot actually already. on stream, but I very rarely took it. Okay, so like you haven't seen me take this setup often, but I talked about it often, and here it did just align perfectly. So we had this skipped price here, which we traded through. So yeah. So I entered on the first like pullback towards the skipped price and took it like on the flush lower. And we did just exactly tested the open here. Like, look, this is what I mean. Like, I wanted to make it bigger, but now I have these shitty candles here. Not really sure what I want to do right now, so I'm staying on the sideline. Sometimes it's as impossible not to take a trade than it is to take one. So gotta stay on the sideline here for now. Problem is, I like to long, but there's no real long opportunity here to be found, in my opinion. This is a short. This is short, like, and I don't like to short. I just don't. This is looking weak. This is gonna come back down. But I'm just awful at shorting. Like, I just see that my brain just sees price action better to the long side. But this looks short, so I don't have any long entries here. It's something I really have to improve upon and work on. Like, I do have to work my shorts more on the days like this. These are good short opportunities here, especially for scalps. So like, could like play it. I mean, if you get a short here at 8%, I just don't have the same read. This was kind of hard view of the bottom here. But still, like... the bid is just too weak here. Bid is too weak to long this. I don't want to short it either, but the bid is just weak. No, the bid is getting stronger here. I'm just kind of lacking big buyers here in order to long this. This was fast. Now No problem. Just staying patient here at this point. No. Trying to get a fill here. Don't want to chase it. Come on, give me this fill here. No longer interested. This took too long to break. I should have probably, I don't know. Like, I really don't. I should have. Should have trusted my instincts here. Ah. Kannst du vielleicht bitte zumachen? Da, Schatz, sind da. Was ist das Fenster? Okay. Ja, weil das so laut ist. Ja. Now this is kind of annoys me. Now I have to be careful. Like, I gotta be a little bit careful now not to feeling slightly tilted here. Because the entry would have been very good. I saw it perfectly. But it didn't. They cut it because it wasn't going, and even though there was no real reason to cut the entry. So I would have gotten my fill here, and then obviously like this. There's still no reason to take off the long here. So this traces 5-point move here. Alright. I mean, the bid was so relentless strong here in the lows and in this range. So. So mad I missed this entry. Not chasing it though. Kind of point of interest here, 1375. So if we lose this, but the bid is just relentless. It's very hard now, yeah. Trying to short this here. Not gonna lose money on it though. Wanna see it fall now. Just grabbing a few ticks here. I do still think this bid might be very strong here. So obviously it can go further, and it does go further, but that's fine for me, like taking a short scalp here. Same setup basically was also my skip price setup, so we did have this, what I told about, like this 1375 level, which I talked about, which we did skip, okay. And on the retest I just entered short this. Usually when the skip price levels break, we usually either see a deeper pullback, or we do see obviously sometimes a full-on reversal and it just flushes. So that's why I moved to break even pretty soon, because I don't really want to see it come back once again here. And I just was waiting for the flush, which obviously didn't happen. So I just took the free ticks or whatsoever. Don't want to fade it now though, like I have no real reason to fade this. And obviously it could return, because like like I said, like we did. Kind of starts to look weak now. It's pulling back on no size though, like the offer's completely like evaporating. Might be a good short entry here. Kinda missed it. Think this breaks. Don't think this is gonna hold here. Pullbacks are just on two. That's just a lack of buyers on the pullbacks highs. This is just the shorts just pulling and sweeping this higher so to get better fills. I do see this breaking here. Now it's getting interesting. Now we bottom ticked it, so this was a new low. Like we should see follow through now. This should puke. If it doesn't, like this might be possible long opportunity here. If it doesn't puke, so I'm considering longing here. Once again, a little bit late. It's holding here. I need to get in here. Ah! I swear to God, like today is tilting. Sorry. Na, ich hab gemisst. Das Entry gemisst. Zweimal jetzt schon vom Big Trade kann. Oh, du bist echt braun, Mann. Bei den Beinen sieht man es. Zweimal jetzt auf einen richtig feinen Entry kann viel kriegt. No, I would be careful longing this here. They probably just flushed out the last couple stops here above this. No, it's very careful. No, it's dangerous. Like both directions, really. Like I want to be shorting this. Also, at least I don't want to be long enough shorting here, really. Oh man, this was like so perfect. Little bit too slow today on my trigger. Strong buying off of 1250 here. Strong offer though as well. Very strong buying, continuous strong buying. Are they gonna rip this now? Don't trust this breakout. Like just seeing the 77s here. Like like I said, I don't trust this here. I mean, the bid is just relentless. But... Oh, Jesus. we should have trusted it after all. Weird price action now. This could be like, this kind of looks like, so if I would have to bet, I'd say like this kind of looks like a top now. Yeah, passt. But obviously not betting against and fading this shit here without the clean entry. I do think like, yeah. And bars coming back in. Can we break the 1750s here? If they can't, they're in trouble. Oh, I really want to fade this here. Bars come back in now. Let's see how it does at the high. Sellers might be just done now. Yeah. I mean, like, now we do see a strong offer here. Let's see if the 15s hold here. So low noted a barrier here. Doesn't seem like they're holding. Looks like it's breaking down. For a swing, this might be a good short entry here. I'm just scared that they run out of selling power here. Which down now. Trying to get a short fill here. Wanna see this go? Wanna just see this puke? Yes. Exactly like this. And I'm out. Oh, patience plays in trading. Patience pays. Patience pays, boys. Just gotta be patient. So at this point, like, I'm chilling. I'm sitting so good in the green now, like, at this point, I'm chilling. Not looking to force anything here. It does look like it wants to break, but I don't know. To be honest, it's almost kind of fun, you know. Like, I mean, usually, if you know me, if you watch more on my stream more often, like, I had 80% of my setups usually breakouts to the long side. So I usually take like around, usually like around, I'd say 70, 60, 70% of my trades are breakout to longs, okay? But funny enough, like today, and I also have like 80% long trades usually. And today, and then more usually like around this time of day, I've taken around around 10 trades already. But today, I've only taken 3 trades, okay, and all 3 were shorts. And we have like this, okay, like we have just straight from the open, just up, okay, and all I've done is like taking shots. But it's working, so I'm not complaining. But yeah. I'm taking a little bit of a screen break here at this time, like just chilling. Hi, Shampoo Ball. Like, how are you? Did you sleep well? Birthday, Charles. Birthday, bro. So what I wanted to say is what I just told the other guys as well. Like, usually I take, if you know me, here regularly, I take and know my stats. Like, I take 80% or around 80% longs, okay, and only like 20% maybe short trades. And like my favorite setup is like breakout to the long side. And I mean, look at today, just blasting higher all day, like all morning, blasting. What did I do? Like I shorted 3 times. Oh, like I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing today. So sorry, can't cuss on stream. But yeah. So that's also like kinda why I'm like not, how should I say it? I'm not forcing so many trades today. Like obviously I did want to, I think like I took 3 long trades, which I didn't get filled at, like which would have just straight blasted to target, but I didn't get limit filled on them, like 3 times I think. Which obviously like it's bad. Jesus, I mean look at this. This is insane. Insanity. I'm not trading this. The thing is with these breakouts, like I don't try like breakouts when we're just grinding higher. These are not the kind of pops or breakouts I'm usually looking for. I want to see. I like to see a range or like something like, and then like bounce around the bear curve and then take the break. But yeah, 3 from 3 at the moment. Wait, I can pull up my. Is this? Somehow. Here. Like. These are my trades from today. Obviously, like they are like copied, so you do see all of them. Like I had this trade, which went 2 ticks against me, and then cut it at 6 profit. I had this trade, which didn't even get so the MAE is always how much ticks it went against you, and the MFE is how much it was most in profit. So if you look here, like those two trades, those trades here, this one, so this is obviously trade copy on 4 accounts, so it's always the same trade, but I don't know how to filter this here. So I had one 7-tick winner, a 4-tick winner, and a 6-tick winner. The 6-tick winner did get 2 ticks against me, but the 4 and the 7-tick winner went no single tick against me, which is great. Like I really can't complain about my performance today. Besides, like obviously, like I should have taken some breakouts, like obviously, but yeah, it is what it is. It kind of seems like a reversing. Like, let's watch the 18s here. Awesome, MV. Happy for you. Yeah, for me it was not the best moment. Not the best morning here. What I'm saying here, like I should be super happy. So yeah, okay. Now I'm not finished yet. Obviously not finished yet, but I don't know. Like I just need to recuperate a little bit here at this point because don't know. Like I'm a little bit mad at myself because I really don't know why I've not seen or taken more longs. Like I mean, you don't get days like this often, obviously. Like just straight off the gate, just ripping higher, ripping higher, ripping higher, and I didn't really take any long. So I didn't take a single long. I just took 3 shots. So yeah. So I'm kind of like hating on myself, let's say a little bit. So that's why I'm staying out of the market right now. I don't want to be emotional while I trade. Mm. Yeah. Right now it's difficult. I mean, I do think it's about this here. Like, I mean, it's hard like to tell. Like, I don't like. I mean, yeah, for me the same. Like, I don't have real good edge here like anywhere. So, I mean, I did like how this got rejected, but I don't want to short so much. Like, I mean, it did get rejected now pretty hard after this. So 1875 is kind of interesting place to short. Now again a 6/0 here, but the bid reclaims. Bid stepping up here. They might stop run this one more time higher. Oh, big selling. I think if we get 320, like I think they're gonna at least stop run the high again. I mean, the question is if we stay below 20 or not. Like if they take out 20, like in my opinion at least, like even if they take out 20, like they gonna uh, try the highs and one more time probably. But here like sellers are very strong. But it's been like this all morning, so like they're gonna run this higher. Like they run this higher one more time. Looking for a possible long entry here. I mean, we do see strong selling, but again, I didn't take the long here. Why I'm not taking struggling just above 20 though. Now it's getting interesting. They should have run this a little bit further in my opinion. Don't like how they're falling in here on the bid. After this break, they should be, in my opinion, able to hold the 20 strong here. And just faster rejections off of 20, but who knows. Bigger bias coming in above 20 again. Looks like they want to run this higher. Yeah. Sorry to hear that. I think today is a price action that's very tricky. Also, which is very obvious hindsight, but it's very tricky to actually trade. It's hard to get entries. I think. Okay, now it did get higher, and like this I could consider this another test of the highs here. And we still have a lot of liquidity up here. They probably want to take this. It's probably gonna, even a spoofing order. I think they're just gonna pull this here. No? Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. 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 Why I'm not entering? I really don't know. Like I don't know. Like I really don't. Yeah. Like, but why? Like, I should have entered on the 20s here. It just annoys me a bit, to be honest, right now. These are clean setups, as clean as they get. And I'm not taking them because I don't know. Like, somehow I'm hesitant today. Even thinking I might stop for the day. I don't know. Kinda would love to show you this in some way, shape or form here. I don't care about this anyway. Watching carefully now. Maybe. Let's see. I was kind of struggling here at the highs, in my opinion. Like, we're not finding any big bars here in the highs, like, really not. Now we find some. Bit strong though. Gonna need a new footprint here. Strong bid here. But like very strong off as well. No, I'm just talking. No. No. I like this short here. Need to see it fall. Oh shit. Oh, this was like not the best trade, obviously. Want to see it fall, like I need to make a hot. Ooh. This is what I would love to have seen, like basically. But with the bid taking all this, it's also ain't the best here. Yeah, it does, you're right. Boah. You're very big sellers. But the thing is, like, we have huge sellers hit here all the time, like just block drop, but the bid is still kind of taking them. So the fact that the bid is not just falling in off of all these size sellers, like, He's telling me it's still very dangerous to short here. Very dangerous. So I need a weaker bid. Like, I can't short this here. Might even think longing this here at this point, actually. Like, the bid is just ridiculous. Yeah, they're gonna run this higher. Trying with a long fill here. Oh, shit. Another bid is falling in. Taking a small loss here, shit. I should have, like, maybe taken, like, smaller loss already. Tricky here. Yeah, sure. Right, needs to go. Needs to go now. Uh, Yeah. Not sure about that. There's big sellers in the 24s. The bid is just too strong. I'm missing all these long trades. This is yeah. Yeah, 25 looks like it wants to get swept here. And I'm just careful because the 24 had so big sellers earlier. I mean, they seem to no longer be here, but who knows? I'm trying it long now here for a break. I'm gonna know immediately when I'm wrong anyways. I wanna see this. Can we break it? Ah. Once again, like pretty much gifted away here. Yeah, can go. And it's just not ripping here at this point, so don't know. Like, this is not going the way it should be going, in my opinion. If you wanna see this rip. Obviously, they still can, but yeah. Yeah, the buy is still good. So, like, unless we break 2350, in my opinion, the buy is still good. I think for you to break 2350, it's gonna get dangerous. But now the buy is still good. Where did we go? It did go to 2375, so it's still good. 50 is the place where it's kind of dangerous. Just would make so much sense to rip this one more time, like just liquidate all those retail people who are shorting now, like. And the bid is just relentless today. Now it's getting dangerous if you're long. 2350 was kind of, I think, my place where I would have gone out when I'm wrong. Now it's getting dangerous. No problem. Can I come back? 2350 was like pivoted a lot of this level, and we pivoted a lot of 23 to 75 hard pivot, so it was also the middle of this volume bell curve here, and probably like a lot of people were 2350 was here like I actually think like this might be over. Like I honestly like think right now the top might be. I think this is gonna pull back far, like really far. Like people are gonna start taking profit now. I don't have an entry here. Maybe not. Like maybe entry 2022s here. Maybe. Just relentless selling here. And the bid is now getting stronger again. No buying here though above 20 really. No big buying above 20. Some bit still strong here. Bit's kinda strong. It's difficult. Bit's very strong on hard pivot. Now the 22s here. That's like where I might have gotten in short. Let's see if they blast through here. That's probably where a lot of people want to short here. They just blast through here, they can squeeze this. Just to wait, like they're gonna have some big buying here, but Oh, more big buying. And they just can't get it higher, so the offer's very strong. Big strong buying, but a strong offer here. Very strong offer. I don't wanna go against these big buyers either though, but what a strong offer here. Taking the short. Honestly, if I don't get a fill on this trade, no, okay. Alright, we have a fill on it. Wanna be careful though. Could just as easily repair as well. I'm out. Boom! Like this one. Like this one, boys. We like it. We do like it. Thanks, Midnight Sun. Thanks, man. Today is the day of shorts, boys. But today we're killing it with the shorts. Like usually, I always trade just longs only. I'm pretty much almost like a long only scalper, and then there comes the one day in the life of every scalper that we are just shooting up all day from the open, gap and go, boom. What does the long scalper do? He shorts all day. Shit, man. Kind of frustrating here, but it's fine. It's fine. Like, awesome. I am fine. Like taking the scalper's profit here, but no, like obviously, it hurts not holding the straight. It does hurt, but you can't look at it that way. Still, if you look at this swing, it still should take out at least the 17s here, in my opinion, because probably the chances are high there are a lot of stops. Yeah. Yeah, now they're flushing this low. Now it's interesting. Now even hard, yeah. Yeah, I also took like on the spike, just above 20, I took the profit. Now it could also, obviously it's gonna just, fuck. Anyways, you never know. That's the thing, you know. Like you really never know. So it's all good. 15 would have been nice, yeah. Exactly, like, yeah. First of all, I had a very good entry here, and the second thing was I cut it. Einfach just the thing is, like, what ended up hurting me, like, the last 2 weeks in my trading and my profit and overall, like, where in general, I was like trying to turn scalps into move to move trades, position to hold trades. So I enter based off an idea I have of a scalp, and then obviously the scalp goes in my favor, and on my scalp idea, and then I think like, oh man, this might be a move to move or something like this, and then I'm holding it, and obviously it's not working out. Really, the place to get in short was like this. I mean, you can replay the stream. Well, I'm gonna look at this as well later. Like, the place to get in short was 2350. Like, once 23, because we had so much volume and so much context and pivots and all the stuff, everything. Also, the bash through from earlier once on the final break, we just pretty much skipped 2350. So 2350 was like, this should not break if we want to go higher. Then we had this attempt higher here, which kind of looked like it want to break more, but just couldn't. And then once it fell back below 2350 here, I think it fell to 23. We did get a retest of 2375, I think, and from that point on, it just tanked. Yeah, 25 was like that. It was over, but you can't call the top really. Like, it's very calling it just shorting off the top just because, yeah, we overextended and price action is slowing down is very dangerous thing to do. You can be like, this can also go like, because, yeah, this can just go wherever really. Like, we don't know. We haven't been here for like months. We really don't know like where this wants to go. Like, buyers can just push this higher. Like, so, and even if you want to short it, like, where do you put your stop? Like, just below the top, but then if you just get this liquidation spike, this finally it stops you out. This also sucks. Like, you want to put it a little bit higher, but what is if it's so, yeah, yeah, sure. I do think this was a real liquid. The only thing is, yeah, obviously, like, I think you mentioned it like in the Discord, also, like, if you are the guy talking about the like, there was one guy in the Discord from FedCat which said like he wants to sell today because 76%, anything like this. I don't know. I don't remember. But the thing is, with, I mean, I'm no expert on bigger time frame stuff, so don't quote me on this. I'm still trying to figure everything out on bigger time frames. But the thing is, in my opinion, like, if you really zoom out, okay, like really zoom out on, we've technically kind of entered the bull market again now. And with the fact that we enter the bull market, like, there is, because I think this is also kind of a reason why we have such a strong bid today. With the fact that we did enter a new bull market pretty much today. So this is why there's like some institutions and people who just say, okay, now we should start buying again, So I think kind of dangerous to short. We're ripping higher again. Might be just a liquidity grab. yes and no. Kind of agree with you, but not sure to be honest. Like the thing is, like there is some people like institution, hedge funds, and stuff like this with really big money, like who already like all the time like fought the recession, like bear market stuff like this, who maybe had like 50% cash in their portfolio, and now like things are turning bullish again. So and they have like way too much cash in their portfolio, so now they need to deploy it into the market. Like just my 2 cents. I think, and they just need to buy. There's no, they just need to buy. No matter like they need to get exposure to the market in case this just rips, because we're still far away from all-time highs and stuff. And yeah, me too. Like I really try to. I know, like I also think also like the bond market is pointing into recession stuff like this, but uh, I really like try to not to pay too much attention, to be honest, just because of my yeah. Trading podcasts, yeah, I do like chatting with traders. It's pretty good. They don't have so much episodes though, and they don't like have very regular episodes. But it's kind of good. Like chatting with traders is awesome. Why did we pivot again of 22? I could have gotten another short entry here of 22. So chatting with traders is pretty good. Um, don't know like which one as well. I'm gonna look now at the charts. Like I might take another trade. Yeah, it's chatting with traders. Like it's basically the only podcast I listen to. This is really speeding up here. Honestly, poor retail at this point. There's been so many people just liquidated. I bet there's been like they all formed in. Now it's starting to look a little bit stronger here. Might play this for a short pullback. Obviously, too slow again on the entry, like always today. Very strong bid here. Also strong offer. Hard to call. Oh, it's just falling through. Bid is pulling. Bid is stepping up again. Long in here. Today, me and my fills are really not like, I'm telling you, not really aligning well here. Getting a fill here. Want to play to a break of 15 here. Do think they want to break 15 once. Last attempt for me. Out here. For a very small profit only, but didn't like how it rejected our 1550s here. Gotta get that out. Thanks, you too. Shit. Hmm. A bit too weak, too long here. And this period was nice, but it's looking strong here. Might break to the upside here. It's trying to get in here. Just the bid is so strong here. Wanna see it go now though. Cutting this for one tick loss. Reason being is I didn't like how it fell through the point of control, even though it did bought. So we had a heavy buying and we fell through the point of control. The alpha just took it. So I needed to cut this immediately. And good thing I got it as well. Falling back in fast, not on volume though. No, now volume starts to come in. Sell pressure's getting bigger here. Very thin. I don't like this. Made a new low, but we didn't pivot off of it. Didn't have follow through either, but no hard pivot. Again at this low. They're struggling to get it lower here. Now once again. Now they're really struggling to break this to the downside. This is probably gonna pop, trying to get in on a pullback to point of control here. Don't know if we're gonna get it. Fresse! Should just shoot. What? What a bad exit with market. Like it just ticked back when I pressed the sell button. With the X 1925. Jesus. Only got 3 ticks here. Was up 6 when I wanted to exit. Hmm. And 22 is resistance to be expected yet. There's a big seller sitting in the 22s. Could have shorted off of it. Now let's see if we can hold this low note here. Seems like we can and we want to. Trying to get in here for another test and possible break of 22s. Doesn't like it when it comes against me like this. Trying to get in here. The bid is not really stepping up. I'm executing poorly here. I'm way too fast. Like, how much was this now? I'm gonna call it for the day. I mean, I do think you wanna stop around the 20s. I really do. That's so hard here. The 22s. I do think you wanna stop around the 22s. But the offer's so strong as well. Both are so ridiculously strong here. I do think now we should see them stop around this. I really don't know. The breakout from here is gonna be so insane. There are a lot of people stuck now. Kind of fighting at the point of control here. Kind of bottom ticked here. This looks nice. Looks like it wants to go lower. This looks kind of like a V, although we shit. Ah. I should have walked away. There was a big iceberg. Just broke. Big seller sitting at their fives. I do have like here like this seller from earlier, spilling volume and stuff. I go 5, is rebalancing here. See in which direction you want to go. Not happy with my trading today, really not. This looks better for bottom. Still lots of selling coming in here. They're just selling this relentlessly. Do see a big absorption here. Wanna get long. Wow. That slip. That slip was actually insane. I hit like 160 stop. Even though I'm like my stop loss is 10 ticks. So tilted. Huge absorption here again. 4,300. The seller's still here. Look at this seller here. Now it seems like he's gone. Oh. Um, oh shit. Yeah, obviously no. All the other accounts like, yeah, fuck this. Like my trade copy accounts got fucked now. I mean, what the fuck? At 05 we do have the big seller again. a bit strong here. I'm trying to get long. What? Okay, don't know. I seriously need to stop. Like, seriously need to stop. Like, what the fuck am I doing? Oh, I'm stopping for the day. Like, Jesus. But this was just like kind of tilt here. Like, I needed to have stopped here. Like, up here, like with my 280 profit, well, I was fine. Actually, I was doing okay. I was trading well, like up till here. Then I was feeling like I'm cutting in too fast, so not executing correctly anymore. I should have just stopped trading here. Honestly, like should have just stopped here already. And then I just like ate this full stop, this full stop. I mean, I guess it is what it is. Anyways, like I'm stopping for the day. Well, this is awful day, really bad. Like just you also had me getting quiet in stream because I was just not performing. I was like so cutting them so quick, like not even. I was just, I don't know, like I should have stopped really. Like here, I should have just stopped and walked away with my 250 or something I had. I gave most of it back. It is what it is. We know you learn, but today I learned. Fine, I guess, but also my trade copy I bugged out a couple times today. And also like, I mean, look at this shit here. I have a 125, I have a 10 tick. I have a 10 tick stop loss. So I always trade with a 10 tick stop. And I ate the 14. I ate that 4 tick spread on that one. 4 tick spread. And here I also ate the tick, 2 ticks actually. That's just annoying. Poor performance. Poor performance. Anyways, green week. Happy with that at least. Finished my week green. gonna be coming back to Monday, fresh, rested. See you guys Monday. I'm out.